Alright guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Chris, also Marulo765R. Obviously this is not a 765R. My previous bike was a Triumph Street Triple 765R, and I recently just upgraded to this Panigale V2 Ducati. But welcome to my channel, and thank you guys for being here and supporting and really just helping out the channel grow. I do appreciate each and every one of you for either subscribing or engaging on my YouTube or on my Instagram. Thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. But we're going to test out this new mic that I have, the DJI Mic 3, and so far it's really good. As you can see, the audio is very clear. I have a separate audio for the exhaust, that way you guys can hear it. But enough talking, let's go out and do a test ride. Now, a little bit about myself. Oop, it is on gear. So a little bit about myself. I am from California, and I have been riding for about 2 years now. And yes, I upgraded to a leader bike within those 2 years. And honestly, I love riding. I don't know if you guys can relate, but riding is very therapeutic to me. Well, my first bike was a Triumph Scrambler 900, and that was an amazing bike. I loved it so much. Oh god, that took out the breath out of me. I don't know why. I'm just getting lazy. But yeah, while the bike is warming up, I'll tell you a little bit more about myself. Started 2 years ago. Scrambler 900 was my first bike. Street Triple 765 was my second bike, and now the Ducati Panigale V2 is my third bike, and absolutely love it. I do have a Honda Grom. I tried to practice it. I tried to practice doing wheelies on it, but I haven't had the time since I've been riding this Panigale V2 for a while, and I've been going out to bike meets. Shout out to Deviate. Okay, let me tell you this while we're riding. So yeah, I wonder how the audio is, especially at high speed. We've got the Panigale out here, out in the beautiful open, and going for a ride to test out the audio for you guys. Alright, here to hit the corner. Oh, I love being in the corners, but vehicles in front ruin it at times. Traffic. California traffic is super horrible, especially in LA. When I rode my Ducati in LA, it was the worst, but we were able to cut through traffic like it's nothing. I don't know about you guys, but I love just touching the butt of a truck. It's amazing. Like even this one right here. I don't know what it is about it, but yay! I know the truck drivers are probably getting mad. It's been really hot lately, so just being able to ride right now at this time, I don't even know what time it is. It's about 5 o'clock, 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Thinking about getting some In-N-Out. In-N-Out sounds so good. Oh, there's somebody. Another biker just ripping it on the highway. Whee! Oh, I love doing that. Just being able to let go of the bike and let it be by itself and let it. I just wish this had cruise control. I would be able to do it a lot easier. I call this bike the Red Duck. You don't know about it. Red Duck. That's his name. Right, you little red duck. You little red ducky. See, got a little red duck too. Or I got a duck on it. Oh, I love seeing other bikers out here. They just know what I'm going through. The perfection and the therapeutic, or the therapy that we get from just riding. Shit, are you gonna slow down, or am I gonna have to guess that you're gonna slow down? Oh, they just added these speed bumps. And oh fuck. And we got the beautiful In-N-Out here. You want a burger? Get a burger. You want a french fry? You want a french fry. Wee. Alright. Usually my friend here, he works at In-N-Out, my friend. Shout out to Cruz. It's too bad, he needs to give me a free meal. But this guy never gives free meals. Maybe they are allowed 1 meal per day, but come on, Cruz, hook me up. But yeah, guys, the Panigale V2, beautiful bike. I love it. It's a great bike, a great addition to my family of motorbikes, and I love it so much. MSRP was about $20,000. Oh, thank you, I appreciate you. I know, exactly. There you go. Yeah, that's one thing about having this bike, is that you get a lot of compliments. It's a nice looking bike. And yeah, what was I saying? MSRP was $20,000, and I was able to lower it about 17,000. And yeah, it's got a good deal on it. And so far, I really love this bike. The single swing arm really makes it just the Panigale look. I don't like the new Panigale, where they have the double swing arm. Fuck, man, I can't talk. But yeah, I just like how it looks. Man, probably one of my favorite things I've ever bought. The headlights of the eyes, man, they make it look like they're demon eyes, if you ever look at it from there. But yeah, love this bike. But I am gonna go eat, guys, and then I will see you later. Alright, I got my meal, ready to dig in. I already ate a little bit actually, so after this we got the Panigale right over there on the side right there. We're about to eat. Let's go. Alright guys, I just finished my food. Oh my god, that shit's loud. Okay, I just pressed the music and my Cardo's on, and it was blasting music. So a little thing I did change, I did put the microphone on the side of my cheek, because I had it on the wire of my Cardo and it was just flapping around. So I don't know, you guys probably heard it in the audio, that you can just hear it just getting flapped around like it was crazy. I do apologize for that. Like I said, this is a test run of how the audio is going to sound. That way I can make this YouTube video for you guys and show off this beautiful badass bike. So hopefully the audio is a lot better since it's on the side of my cheek instead of hanging on a little wire. Get there? Alright, let's hit this corner. Downshift in second. Outside corner, inside. And follow through. Oh, yes. There we go. Love doing corners. Woo! I wish I had cruise control. This would be so much fun. Oh, I love doing that. Woo! I'm surprised for a 2025 Ducati it doesn't have cruise control. But I know I can add it on here. But you know, your homie is broke. Please, people, my subscribers, anybody who's watching, send me money, please, so I can get a cruise control on this bike. Now that would be fun. But yeah, guys, I'm going to end the video here. Thank you guys for tuning in and watching this video about me ranting about my bike and audio placement and all the other stuff. So thank you guys. I do appreciate everybody who does come out and support and watch the YouTube channel, because I just starting out and your boy don't know what the fuck to say. But yeah, thank you guys, and I will catch you later.